Let us tell you more about the JWSS Concert Band.
The JWSS Concert Band has performed in a variety of occasions like the Singapore Youth Festival, the SCDF Parade March, which were conducted in public and in-school performances like Chinese New Year. We always try our very best to remain at the forefront to ensure that our band members feel happy to be in band and feel a sense of well-being.
Practice sessions are held every Monday and Wednesday from 3:45 p.m. to 6:15 p.m. at the band room. Joining the concert band will equip you with the fundamental skills to gain confidence and apply your musical knowledge to learn new songs. The best part is that even people with zero musical knowledge can join band.
Joining band will also allow you to make new friends, establish good connections with your bandmates, gain life skills such as teamwork, and build resilience among yourselves. You will be able to enhance your critical thinking and bring out the leadership potential in you as you continue your journey in band. Now, let's watch a short clip of our SYF Performance 2021.
Hello, I'm Nora and I play the saxophone.
Hi, I'm Anchor and I play the French horn.
Personally, I've always been interested in music even before joining band. But here I am to expand my knowledge and to grow my passion in music.
Just like her, I like music too. I decided to join the band because I wanted to be smarter. Back in primary school, I had no CCA. Then it taught me how to count the beats and pass my math exam.
Hi, I'm Carol from the trumpet section.
Hi, I'm Tracy and I'm also from the trumpet section.
Joining band will allow you to gain experiences, make new friends from other classes and levels, and also learn how to play musical instruments.
You can also learn new musical knowledge from band, such as how to read the musical notes, and you can also learn about the different instruments in band.
Before the pandemic, our band members are also involved in overseas immersion programs. Join us!
Join us!
Hi, I'm Jane from the clarinet section. Why should you join band? Band lets you learn different instruments which will expand your musical knowledge. Band also allows you to learn instruments under the guidance of our amazing conductor for free, while it will cost thousands of dollars outside. So please join us.
I'm Hayden, a French horn player, and I chose band because of its comfortable environment and the many other activities that we do, such as band camp and bonding time, which is very fun and interesting. We also have a lot of leadership positions. We will guarantee your CCA points if you're in.
Hi, I'm Qilong from Food Section. The band provides the ability to exercise yourself and the skills to express yourself. Not only did I improve my confidence, but I also expanded my interpersonal relationship. So come and join us.
Hi, I'm Mikael and I'm from percussion.
Hi, I'm Shi Qi and I'm from percussion.
Hi, I'm Azani and I'm also from percussion.
The reason why you should join band is because the people that you make friends with in band, the teachers and the conductors, very friendly to you. And when you need emotional support, they will always be there.
By being in band, you can learn how to play different type of instruments. For example, when I first joined band, I don't have any musical background, but after a few lessons, I learned how to read the music scores and learn how to play different type of instruments.
You should join band because you can know about a variety of instruments. Personally, for me, I've been in band since my primary school days, and I decided to continue doing band in secondary school because I wanted to learn more about different instruments. By being over here, all the teachers and people you meet are very kind and nice. You have a very great time here.
We hope
friendly seniors are here for you through thick and thin.
We have a very cheerful place in band and the best conductor.
Most importantly, you'll be able to play new instruments and this is for free if you join the band.
We hope to see you in band.